Good morning students. Myself Ms. Deepa Nagpal is back again to continue the explanation of the chapter What is Democracy? Why Democracy? Children, today I will be telling you about the merits of democracy or the arguments in favor of democracy. The first advantage to have democratic type of government is that the democratic government is an accountable government which responds to the needs of the people, fulfills the needs or the interests of the people because the people have selected them. If the government fails to fulfill the needs of the people, respond to their needs, then the people have an authority or power to change the government. The second feature of democracy is that the democratic government improves the quality of decision making. Since in democracy, all the decisions are taken after consultation with a lot of people. Since lot of people are involved, so there are less chances of any mistakes in the decisions of the government. The third feature of democracy is that it provides a method to deal with the conflicts, because in democracy, though there are differences, the differences are solved by mutual talks, negotiations and power sharing. So there are very less chances of conflicts in this type of government. The fourth feature of democracy is that it enhances the dignity of the people. Now here dignity refers to the respect of the people. The dignity is given by the democratic government to the people by giving them rights through constitution. As soon as the people get rights, they enjoy the political equality. And after getting the rights, they become citizens, not the subjects. When they are under the king, they are the subjects. But as soon as they get the rights, they become the citizens. So in this way, democracy enhances the dignity of citizens. The last merit of democracy is that it allows the people to correct their mistakes. Because of this merit only, democracy is said to be better than other forms of government. Since it is formed by the people are free to change the government if the government fails to fulfill their needs. So that is all for today. I hope you are going through the previous videos, because then only you can better understand the further part of the chapter. In the next video, I will be telling you about the demerits of democracy. Stay home, stay safe.